Hey YouTube, Team Apocalypse here, and today I'll be unboxing my new Empire Axe, which is my second paintball gun. I had a Tippmann 95. So yeah, uh, don't really know much about this gun, but I did look up a lot of stuff for it on YouTube and stuff. Uh, I am ordering this from Zephyr Paintball because I'm sponsored by them. So I got a promo pack. As you can see, I got a lot of Zephyr stickers. So that's cool. Flip it over to the side. American flag Zephyr paintball barrel condom. What's this? It's just how much it costs. And right here, I'm probably gonna shit my pants when I open this, but right here, Empire Axe paintball gun. And if you could see, it kind of looks the same way if you open it upside down as well. Try not to rip it off. I don't know how to open this one. Alright. Right here you got the operator's manual on a disc. Another manual, I'm guessing. And take the fiber off. Oh yeah. Right here is the Empire Axe. I got it just black. Wow. And you got a PSI gauge with a switch on off ASA. Oh wow. Got the nice 12-inch matte black barrel. You got the Empire barrel condom, and got a parts kit with some lube, some Allen wrenches, some O-rings, some screws, parts, stuff like that. And as you can see, here's the gun. Wow, freaking amazing. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much it. Wow. Magnetic trigger, that's cool. Alright guys, if you want to like, rate, subscribe, and I am obviously looking for a new barrel for this. So if you got any tips, just put it in the comment section. I'm either now choosing between a Dye Ultra Light or a critical 100G barrel. So if you want to message me about that, that's cool. Like,